This guy has become a household name all over cable news, all blasted everywhere. But put it in perspective for me, Alan. He's small potatoes, right?
He's a little guy. It's a small company. He's a small player. But I think he's done immeasurable harm to the pharmaceutical industry.
How so?
But he took this hard tactic of jacking the price of a life-saving drug by 5,000%. By doing that, he's tainted the entire industry. He's called down the wrath of Congress. It makes it more likely that you end up with a restrictive, constrictive regulatory regime in the future that's going to be bad for the drug industry. So, look, the guy deserves his day in court. I don't know about these securities fraud charges, but he doesn't deserve to be CEO of Turing. It was good he got out of there, both because of what he did with drug prices and because of the outrageous comments he made on that website, or that
it was a
website, hip hop,
Yes.
about sex acts with Taylor Swift. It was.
Yeah.
We're glad to be. We're glad to be. We should all be glad to be.
He's almost more of a sociopath. He's almost cartoonishly narcissistic. I mean, he's just totally out there. But Aaron, I'll flip Alan's argument the other way, because some have said that this might actually give cover to pharmaceutical executives who are raising prices still a lot, but 10% looks like nothing compared with 5,000%.
That is true, and the reality is there was nothing illegal about what he was doing with pharmaceutical prices, and that's the real outrage there, is that he was arrested or indicted for things having nothing to do with that. That was legal, and he was saying, hey, this is what the market's going to bear. And that's why you had politicians like Hillary Clinton and Bernie Sanders coming out and saying, we got to do something about this. So that's why to Alan's point, he became a poster child for everything that's wrong with the industry. But if you don't like the laws, your Congress changed the laws.
Well, and the issues are still there. I mean, we have a more respectable case, Valiant, which built its whole business by buying up pharmaceutical companies, jacking up the prices, cutting R&D, doing the same thing. So this issue isn't going to go away. He may go away, but the issue is around for a while.
He might go away for a long time, but I promise you when he comes out, he's going to have a hip-hop album, because that's what he's really trying to do. He really wants to be a hip-hop impresario. He's the next Biggie Smalls or
whatever. But I think we've never heard of him before. We're never going to hear from him again, is my guess. But I could be wrong.
People are going to want to know what happens to that Wu-Tang album.
Right, that's true.
Exactly.
That's true. That's the real
big
question.
mystery now, yeah.